Guys, Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda and I'm filming this video from Lagos, Nigeria. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the benefits of selling on Jumia. If you want to know all of the benefits that selling on Jumia entails, then please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button just right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. YouTube is going to notify you as soon as I drop a new video on my channel. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. First major advantage of selling on Jumia is that Jumia has a huge customer base. Jumia has been around since 2012 or so. So they've been around for quite a while. So lots of people know them and people trust them because of course they deliver. So knowing fully well that the market share Jumia has on the online space is so huge, and lots of people go on their platform searching for various products and services, they are able to attract a very large customer base. And if you are someone who has a product and this product is unique and it's something that people would really love to have, and it's very helpful in homes, then I think choosing to sell that product on the Jumia platform would really be helpful for your business, because Jumia has a very large customer base. Second benefit of selling on Jumia is they have very reliable services. Guys, if you order stuff on Jumia, just know that best believe that when you order stuff from Jumia, you should be getting what you ordered, because Jumia then has this quality check or control systems in place, whereby when you want to deliver, as a seller, when you want to deliver, drop off your order at the shipment center or the fulfillment center, what they always do is they always have to go through the package you are dropping off and also go through what is on the system as what that is. They also go through what the customer ordered, and when they see that there's a mismatch, they're going to reject that your shipment and tell you to go and get the appropriate product. So Jumia has a way of ensuring that they deliver to ensure that they have a very reliable service, and they also try when it comes to delivering their parcels. If you order a parcel from Jumia, at least in like 3 days, if you're within like Lagos, you'll be able to get that parcel within 3 days to 5 days, and that's very remarkable. Jumia services is quite reliable. Third thing I love about Jumia, of course, is the quality checks, and I think I already mentioned a bit about that in my part in the second point, because before a parcel is sold, they always have to review the product and ensure that it's the same thing as what the customer ordered. And another thing that is very amazing about the quality checks thing is, if you ordered stuff and then you receive it and it doesn't look the same, as what you originally ordered, Jumia allows you to be able to return that parcel and take something else, or even get a refund in, I think, within 24 hours or 3 days or so. So which just makes them a platform of choice for lots of customers, because they are able to get refunds from orders that probably didn't look exactly how they wanted it to look and all. So guys, another major advantage of selling on the Jumia platform is there is a huge variety of items, guys. Because Jumia has a whole lot of sellers on their platform, lots of companies who manufacture products on their platform, they are able to provide the customers with more variety. They're not just selling one blue t-shirt, they're selling various shades of a particular blue shirt. So Jumia offers the customer variety, which is a huge plus. You find people who are selling on their platform. They could be selling clothes, they could be selling shoes on the same platform, or sometimes it could be the same seller store, or it could be like them having 2 different stores. So Jumia definitely makes life easy for entrepreneurs. The fifth amazing benefit of selling on Jumia or just purchasing from Jumia is that for someone who is buying from Jumia, Jumia tends to make the prices of the products on their platform very affordable, because when there's competition on a platform, you're not the only seller selling a particular product. You're going to start pushing competition. It's going to start fostering competition, because other sellers on that platform tend to lower their prices so that they'll be able to make the most profits. And in a situation whereby they are not able to maximize profit, they might just be running at a loss. So on the part of the customer who is purchasing the product, they will always be at an advantage, because of course they are buying the products available on Jumia at the lowest prices possible. Seventh benefit of selling on Jumia is they allow you to choose a flexible payment pattern. Jumia literally allows their customers to choose to pay item on delivery, or they could even choose to make payments at the point in which they are receiving their goods. They can just do a wire transfer to Jumia to receive their money, or just do a credit their account directly, and they get to perform the service which you need. So most definitely, I think this just wraps up all of the benefits of selling on Jumia. And aside from the fact that you have timely delivery and an effective return policy, yeah, this sums up all of the benefits of selling on Jumia, guys. So if it's a platform that you're actually considering, you want to start something for yourself, you want to just keep yourself busy and all, I think you should consider selling on Jumia. All you just need to do is just to get a unique product which you intend to be selling, and market the hell out of the product. And really, of course, it's not easy to market any product, but knowing fully well that the brand owner is willing to do what is needed to get their brand out there on people's lips and all, then definitely it's just the starting point. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you got value out of this video, please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, like it, share it, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. And I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys, I love you.